someone mentioned you in their live video. Most of the Instagram users are getting such notification. Now the question is how to fix this. It's very simple, just follow these steps. Open Instagrams and go to settings. Tap on privacy and then mention. Here you can see three options appearing. If you choose people you follow, only people you follow can mention you in their stories, comments, live videos and captions. If you choose no one on Instagrams can mention you in their stories, comments, live videos and captions. So choose wisely. Because right now there's no specific option available for live videos. That's why I have added to the title, let them mention you. I have also reported about the issue to the Instagram team. If I get any updates from them, I will surely let you notify about. And if you don't know how to viral your Instagram reels, you can start with these two videos.